Salitan. Okay? Sige pa. Ulitin mo namin yung technique. Gawin yung siyang ano. So, attack mo siya. Sige, cover your face. Change level. Pag nag-cover your face, step back mo yung isa. And then after that, hawak dito. Dito muna. Yung mga nasa right dito, sila muna yung ka-attack. Muna. Sige.
Yung nasa right yung mag-attack.
Sige po. Sige, kahit ganun lang, kahit ganun lang.
Try nyo lang i-reach yung head.
I-reach nyo lang yan.
I-reach nyo lang yung head.
I-reach nyo lang.
And if ma-reach yung head, di ba yung gagawin yung change level?
Change level.
Change level.
Change level. Step ulit.
Okay. Okay.
Sige.
Alright.
Yung mga nasa right po yung ka-attack ha. Yung mag-defend po is yung nasa left ko. Okay, go. Sige po. Yes.
Okay. So, example, yung mga nandito, sa left. You're going to change level daw. Okay, so you attack. Sa right, you right to mag-attack. So, change level. Change level. And then, step forward and hug.
Yun lang muna.
Yun lang muna.
Sige, yun lang muna. Yung mag-hug ko, ganito ha. Sige, yun lang. Okay, ganun lang.
Ganun lang. Try mo lang ma-reach.
Ay, mo lang rin. Lapitan mo ako. Yan, yung 1 meter. Ay, 1 meter. Yan, nakapit yan. Yan, sige. Go. Change level po.
Change level.
Yan.
Hindi ka atras. Change level. Bababa ka lang. And then engage.
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 Okay. Change level. Engage. Sige, step forward. Engage.
Okay lang.
Yan. Yes. Okay. Bend your knees more para mas may balance ka. Kasi nagtitip over ka pa. Okay. So, change level. Step forward. And then engage. Okay. Down. Step forward. Here you have to step forward. You're very far. Okay. So, pagka-reach sa'yo, pagka-reach, change level, protect your head, then step. Step ka dito. Malapit talaga, malapit. Then hug. Yeah. Dikit. Okay.
Dikit talaga. Dikit mo yung ulo niya.
Guys, in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, you have to be comfortable with another person's body. Okay, you have to hug. Pag hug, mahigpit dapat. You cannot control somebody pag loose. You have to tight. Okay? Okay? So again, let's do step by step. Sige. So from the left, tama no? From this left side, engage lang sabay-sabay. Ganun. Try to reach the head lang. Ganun lang. Reach the head.
Reach the head lang.
Okay.
Yan.
And then, yung gagawin nyo, yung nasa right, change level muna. Yun lang muna. Sige.
Sige, yun lang muna. Change step. Change step.
Okay. So left,
Change level. Cover your face. Change level. Cover your face.
cover your face. Cover your face.
Cover your face po.
Yan. Okay. Then step forward.
Yan.
Okay. And hug.
Hug. Okay, ulit.
Alright. Mas effective na yun.
Baby step.
Okay, baby steps. Alright.
Okay.
Okay. Attack. Go. Attack. Alright. Step forward. And hug.
Okay, change naman. Change partner. Kabila na ulit. Kabila. Okay lang. Ganun lang. Ganun lang. Change ano lang. Change attacker lang.
Okay. Ayan.
Hawak na yung ulo. Change level.
Alright. Attack. Change level. Protect your face. Step forward.
Forward.
Hug.
Hug.
Yan. Again.
Okay, ulit.
Ulit. Okay. So si attacker, when I say attack, sabay kayo mag-reach. Okay? So, attack. Yeah, change level. Okay, step forward. Hug. Ganyan. Cable grip. Guys, look oh. This is how you properly hold. Ganun. Thumbless grip. Ganyan. Ay, ganun? Ganun ba?
S-grip pala, S-grip.
Ay, S-grip muna. O sige, S-grip daw.
Okay lang na
S-grip.
S-grip.
O sige.
Matagal.
O sige. S-grip tayo. Yes.
Masakit kasi yan. May blade.
Ganyan.
S-grip.
Okay, sige. So, S-grip tayo guys. S. Alright. Alright. Sige. Right? So, attack. Step forward. Hug. Okay. That loose
Kung madala
hug.
mo yung kamay, okay lang. Madala nyo yung kamay. Madala nyo yung kamay.
Diretso. Dikit. Okay. Dikit. Nakapin mo siya ng sobra. Na as if Tay, tay. Masakit dahil.
Tapos pahugot.
No space. No space as much as possible. Ganito kasi.
Okay, Wilbert, mahirap yung nakabend ka.
Kung ganyan.
O, S-grade kasi mas maganda.
Ganyan na lang yung pag-
Mas bendy yung ano kasi.
So, ganyan daw guys. Ganyan. Ganyan na lang yung pag-
Awkward kasi
Okay.
hindi ko sa
Right. Sige. Alright? Again. Tight ha? Tight. Sige. Attack. Yan. Step forward, hug. Tight. Tight. Okay, sige. Disengage. Let go.
Okay, okay lang. Second batch naman mo.
Sige, second batch.
Oh, second batch. Ulit ko yun sa inyo. Hanggang sa takedown.
Oy, hindi!
Sige pa, back.
So, si attacker, sa left side.
Meron ako
Okay, sa left side muna, si attacker.
Sa right side mo.
Dito. Sa left side niya. Left side.
Okay, go. Sige.
Wala ka ang ball sila.
Ready? Sige.
So, yung gagawin ni left side, mag-reach. Okay? Mag-reach. And then si right side, iilag. Down lang. Okay? Not like this. Iilag lang. Ganun.
Covering your face. Yan, mga ganito, be aware ha, ano talaga kayo dito. Kapag one yan. Ano na ganyan, nakakot na kayo. Pwede na kayo maabot. Pwede na kayo maano.
Sige. Alright. Sige. Left person. Sige. Attack. Okay, change level. Step forward. Hug.
Sige.
Step forward. Hug.
Sige, hug.
Hug. Okay, no space. No space. Yan. No space. Okay, yan. Dapat hindi talaga yun.
Okay, sige pa.
Okay, let's go. Again. Okay, dapat tight siya ha. Pagka hugot, ganun agad. Alright. Sige, again. Attack. Step forward, hug. Okay, tight. Okay, let go. Again. Sige. Attack. Step forward, hug. Okay, let go. Last one. Alright. Attack. Step forward, hug. Then let go. Okay, change roles.
Change roles.
Rolls lang.
Rolls lang po. Hindi
Rolls.
position.
In the position. Change roles.
Change rolls lang po.
Okay? Alright. So, si right side yung mag-attack. Si left side ang change level. Okay? Protect your face ha. Protect your face. Okay. Okay. Attack. Step forward. Hug.
Hug.
Okay, tight. Okay. Right. Okay.
Space.
Yes. Okay. Let's go. Again. Attack. Step forward, hug. Let go. Dapat pagka-hug guys ha, the reason kung bakit medyo matagal yung pagsabi ko ng let go because I want you to feel your opponent. Okay, is it tight enough? Okay? So, pa-feel niyo yan, right? Sige. Attack. Step forward, hug. Tight. Let go. Okay. Sige. Last. Okay. Attack. Step forward, hug. Tight. Let go.
Okay, group 2, upo lang po kayo. Okay, upo lang kayo, upo lang sa kung saan kayo. Yan, sige. Mag-isip namin. So, dito, ulitin ko rin, refresh ko rin dito. Sige, attack si Coach Dave. Yan, change level, cover your face, and then step forward, hawak dito. Pag nahawakan nyo na dito, yung lahat, kita nyo yung lahat ng katawan ninyo, make sure na lahat ng katawan ninyo ay pababa. And then try to sweep. Hanggang sa bumaba siya. Okay, lahat ng weight nyo, pababa ninyo. Okay?
Alright?
Right? Itutuloy-tuloy na natin para mabilis tayo. Kasi may isang tayong technique. Yeah, pwede.
Okay,
Para makita.
ilagay na lang kami. Okay? So, you can form a circle. Guys, you can form a circle muna.
Mas magandang straight po sila.
Form a circle. Everybody. Sige.
Sige, attack. Take level. Hawak dito. And then drop down. Yung pag-drop nyo lang, drop yung down is pa dito ha. A circle. Dito. 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 Yan. Mas maganda pag i-flip niya siya. Yan. Pag nandito na siya, yung control ninyo, dito sa yung ulo niyo dapat nakadikaya. Sabi habi mabuti para makontrol niyo na maayos yung kanyang hip. At saka yung core niya. Kasi ito yung lakas niya para siya mag-stand up. Kung hindi ito maayos, sabi ko, ay mo kung yun. Yan, hindi pa, pwede yan. Switch out ako, pwede kayo ma-reverse. Switch out mo. Yan. Pwede yan ma-reverse. Di ba? Okay? So, maganda. Maganda talaga kapag nandun na, ihagin talaga mabuti, kontrol niyo yung hip ng maayos, at saka yung side niya, yung core niya. Then, after that, hawakan niyo yung, hanapin niyo yung tricep. O dito yung bicep para, sorry, yung bicep. Hawakan niyo ito. Ito yung hanapin, yung una yung hahanapin. And then, stand up, using this, yung left muna mauna. And then, secure. Ito kamay. Yung bicep naman yung i-change niyo, kaya sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, it's complicated. Ano sinabi ko kanina yung word na yun?
Complicated things.
Complicated. Kaya yun, complicated things na yung jiu-jitsu. So ito, hawak dito, pag nahawakan niyo yan, make sure yung tuhod niyo yung isa, nandito sa kilikili. Yan, here, kapag natak in na yan, itong right left mo, step in over doon sa ulo. Yan, pag nandiyan na, drop ka na. And then do the arm bar. Yung full speed, hindi na gumawa ng full speed, hindi na gagawa.
Scary kayo mga attackers.
In full speed, hindi na gagawa. Si Coach Jay na gagawa, in full speed ako ang attacker, okay? Here.
And then,
Full speed, full speed. Tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy.
Okay. So,
Okay. Okay, full speed. Here, sige. Full speed.
tapos, grab
Grab the bicep.
the bicep.
Sige.
Okay? And then, hawak sa kilikili.
Yeah.
Sorry, no. Full speed, sabi people.
Full speed. Ganun yung ganun yung technique, di ba? Madali lang siya. Pero complicated. Sabi nga, kailangan kasi may mga nakawakan kayo ng mga bagay na ganito, di ba? It's not like magic one, just straight.
Magandang content.
So, be careful lang sa
Be
ganun.
careful guys ha, huwag tayo mag full speed.
Full speed.
Step by step.
Yun lang muna. Yun lang muna.
Okay.
Sige, pwede nyo kontakin yung yung partner ninyo. Gawin natin yun, yung dahan-dahan para mag-practice ninyo sa bahay.
Okay.
Kasi,
Hindi naman
ito
magagawa
yung
yun.
one day. Lahat na yun, consistent, ginagawa namin yan. Ginagawa namin yan.
Yes.